Court is calling 2022 CR 9493, State of Texas versus Richard Gonzalez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
State of Texas.
For the defense? Are you Richard Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Did you? Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We'd like to, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, spoke to my client. He's asked that you follow the plea bargain and grant him a 2-year probation in this case.
All right. Is there gang issues here? Because
No.
if he's a gang member, they will not accept him in felony drug court.
I'm not affiliated with no gang, man.
Is that just current or has there been a documentation in the past?
I have not been affiliated with gangs since high school.
All right. So there is documentation out there somewhere. So felony drug court, because they have limited placement, they're not going to accept him. So where would you be living if you're released?
The address where I provided on the
Who
paperwork.
lives there with you?
My 2 sons and their mom.
How old are your children?
18 and 19 and 17 and 19.
And when's the last time you had employment?
Last time I was employed was about 4 or 5 years ago. I received social
For what?
for I had hurt my back and I received Social Security every month for about 3 years, 4 years. No more than that, about 5 years, 6 years.
So what do you do in your spare time?
I'm just there at the house.
Well, I mean, this incident didn't
Walking
occur at your
around.
house.
I was homeless for a while until they recently allowed me to go back.
All right. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 2 years. And probation, he insists he's not a gang member. So we can do a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then we're going to do a TAP evaluation. And I want that TAP evaluation done while he's in custody and to follow the TAP recommendations. Of course, if TAP is recommending inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month. And there's to be no contact with his current living situation. And I will look into that and maybe change it, but he needs to be sober. Show me some sober months and then you can perhaps go there.
I did probation term in 2001 and in 2003, and I did complete that successfully and all that. If that's in, just letting you know that the view in the courtroom, Your Honor.
All right, I understand that, but here's the thing. It seems like you do well when somebody's supervising you, but I can't supervise you for your entire life.
Oh, that's
Okay.
of course,
All right, there.
that's fine, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Do better. Your sons are looking up to you. Be a good example, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, I will. Thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome. You're the same Richard Gonzalez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 9439 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram on October 20th, 2022 for a term of 2 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
In Dare County, Texas, the defendant Richard Gonzalez did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of December 2022 and January 2023 in violation of condition number 4. State waives the remaining violation allegation.
With regard to that allegation, number 4, how do you plead, true or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 1 year in the state jail facility and up to $1,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
True. Yeah, I just wanted to.
No, my question
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
knowing that I could sentence you up to 1 year in the state jail facility, Do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. And you understand that the court does not have to follow any agreement that maybe your attorney has reached with the state?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there a proposed agreement?
I believe so, Your Honor, to extend supervision for 2 years, alter and amend to add the substance abuse treatment facility followed by aftercare treatment through Bear County CSCD, TAP outpatient treatment program, monthly UAs, and documented weekly sober support meetings as directed by the court.
All right. What is it done on probation?
I didn't have anything I couldn't be there at the house that I was at. That's why I didn't stay there.
Mhm.
They had kicked me out. I didn't mean to come over here like this. I should have came in person.
No. Why didn't you report to probation? You want to raise your right hand?
Yeah, I
Do
really,
you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Richard Gonzalez.
All right. What is up with the ring on his finger? Is that allowed?
This is my rings, the ones that I was in.
I'm sorry, what?
The ones that I had on when I was in brought from custody.
Oh, so they can wear rings at the jail? My understanding that's
They
considered.
didn't take it off. I could, you know.
No. I'm just saying that, isn't that considered contraband? He has on 3 rings. One of them
That's kind
appears
of,
to,
they didn't take it off at the intake. I mean, but when you get back, you can probably put it in my property.
all right, one appears to have a diamond in it, but I
It
don't,
does? I
Well,
didn't see that.
Your Honor, perhaps they're not able to remove the.
Yeah, this one was not, I couldn't get this one off, but probably now they can, because when I came in, it was kind of swollen.
okay. All right, these are just questions I'm curious about.
That's fine.
So
yeah.
why were you not reporting?
I just didn't report because I didn't have a place to go to. I was kind of freaked out on it. You know what I mean?
So did you think of taking the via bus to probation?
No, Your Honor, I didn't. I just went to the house and they said I couldn't be there. I was from my understanding, the last time when you had spoke to me about the probation, did you put her on a restraining order so that way I could probate there? Because I got a new address I could report.
No, there was not supposed to be any contact. And what is the plastic in your,
Oh,
you just coming over here with all sorts of
no,
things.
I didn't see it in there. I just threw on my
No, what's in your pocket?
This is from the soup, and then this is from my mom's address.
So he's bringing soup from the
No, I'm
jail
not
and
bringing soup.
greens?
No, I didn't. I just threw on my
Just add water. Okay.
just that one. No, yeah.
All right. So what is with the 36 on your face?
This is just back in the day, back when I was in high school. I promise you on that.
Mhm.
I've been to myself. I don't.
And the dollar signs around your wrists?
That keeps me motivated to do my probation.
All right, just a second. All right, so obviously people don't understand. We are on the record. So if you cannot whisper, then you need to stop talking or talk outside. I don't understand why people talk so loud when they're in the gallery, and then when they're before me, I'm straining to hear you. All right. So what's up with the dollar signs on your wrist?
I got these tattoos years back, like before '99, and I haven't got any other tattoos since. I've been basically, I worked. I've had probation before. I completed it before in the other court.
Mhm, but not here.
This one I was just, I was kind of shocked on it. But I mean,
What do you mean shocked on it?
well, because I was picked up on how I was picked up. But I mean, I wasn't, I didn't get to come report because I just didn't show up. I just didn't, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie to you, sir. I mean, Honor.
No, I appreciate.
I have
I
a
appreciate
new
the honesty.
address I could probably maybe, if you grant it, to go to. I talked to my mom on that. She said that she's willing to go ahead with it if you're willing to, if your judgment would apply. You know what I mean?
All right. I don't think you're a good candidate for probation.
Okay.
I tried. All right,
All right.
we're gonna send it. I'm gonna file.
Do I get credited for my back time?
Just let me finish.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. The court is gonna revoke. The court is gonna sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility. You're entitled to any credit for any time previously served. There's to be restitution of $57. to SAPD for lab testing. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yeah,
And did you sign it?
yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, that jury on your fingers, I don't know what happened at the jail, but you're not supposed to have that on your fingers unless it's attached. The bringing over of food from the jail,
Yeah,
they shouldn't have allowed you to bring that over. We're not here for you to have a meal in court.
yes, Your Honor. I didn't
Even
know
when
what
you-
it was in there.
Here's the thing, even when you're held in the back, you're not allowed to get hot water and make your own soup dish. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're gonna have to start doing better. How old are you?
43.
You're 43. You're close to having the majority of your life behind you. If you don't want to wake up and see that you spent a majority of your life in prison, you had better change your ways. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. So I get credited for my back time?
You get credit for any time that you've been in jail.
Okay.
Legally, you're entitled to it.
Okay, thank you. God bless you, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you. God bless you too.
Thank you. God bless you.
All right, thank you.
All right.